If you're leased to a carrier, federal law has your back. Truth in leasing rules stop hidden deductions and made-up chargebacks. Here's what you're owed. Start with the basics. A signed written lease is mandatory. You have the right to see the actual freight bill, what the load really paid. Every deduction must be spelled out in the lease. And the carrier must show you the receipts behind each charge, fuel, insurance, tires, permits. Your escrow, the maintenance or damage deposit, must be returned within 45 days of ending the lease, with a final accounting. Indefinite holds and phantom deductions are illegal. These are real federal rules, Title 49, CFR, Part 376. Break them, and the carrier faces FMCSA, enforcement and liability for what they wrongly withheld. Know your rights before you sign a lease. Check any carrier, free, on LoadWrap. Drive safe and keep what you earn.